That about 300 volunteers are out in the community today for the Tri-Lakes United Way, and 50 of those, we're proud to say, are from CoxHealth. Got our sleeves rolled up, our music's up. We're out here at 5 sites across the Ozarks, just spending our day giving back to the community that we love. We are painting the classroom, so when the teachers and students come back in the fall, we got a nice coat of paint for them to get a fresh start on their school year. And then at the Ozark Mountain YMCA, we're just spiffing up the place, making sure the jumping area is safe and clean for the children there. We are at the Boys and Girls Club in Forsyth, kind of reworking their walking trails. And in Blue Eye, we're also giving the walls a nice coat of paint at the schools there. Work days can get stressful, so this is really a fun day each year where we just kind of let loose, turn our music up, get our paint out, we get messy. It's just a great camaraderie with our staff here. CoxHealth is really, really proud to have that commitment in our community, and this is one way that we're excited every year to give back to the community that we love.